Hey everyone, I'm Nina Spears, also known as the Baby Chick, and today I am showing you how to support your partner during labor with two powerful comfort measures, the double hip squeeze and sacral pressure. These are both hands-on techniques that can provide incredible relief during contractions, especially during active labor and transition. So if you are a birth partner looking to feel more confident and useful, this video is for you. During labor, as baby descends into the pelvis, many women experience intense pressure in their lower back and their hips. And this is why counterpressure is so helpful. It helps by relieving pressure from the sacrum, creating more space in the pelvis, and helping baby rotate and descend, as well as giving mom a sense of relief and grounding during each contraction. We're gonna first start with the double hip squeeze. It's a favorite among many birthing mamas. And you might be wondering, what does it help with? Well, let me tell you. It relieves pressure in the sacrum and the hips. It feels amazing during contractions. Oh my goodness, such good relief. So let me show you exactly how to do it. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to demonstrate how to do the double hip squeeze on my husband, and then he is going to do the double hip squeeze on me, and I'm going to give you a closer look of exactly where to place your hands. So you're the laboring mom, you're probably leaning forward and leaning your hips out. And what you're going to do is you're going to place your two hands, bring your fingers in towards her inner back, and then place the palms of your hands on the outsides. And what you're going to do is you'll find that there's her hips. Right here, you don't want to go too high, you don't want to go too low on the bum, you want to go right in between, get a good stance, good wide stance, and when she has the contraction, what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze in together and hold that counter pressure for the entirety of the contraction. And then when she's done, you're going to release and relax, and that's when you can give her some love and some good massage on her back. And then when the next contraction comes, you're going to squeeze again and then relax. So we're going to show you a closer look of my husband doing this on my back. So some tips that I want to share. Be sure to ask how the pressure feels and adjust as needed, because some moms like their counter pressure super firm and some moms don't. I also recommend using your body weight to press in, not your arm strength. Also, if you can, take turns if you have a doula or another support person, because it can be really tiring after a while. I have left many births feeling super sore after doing so much counter pressure, so taking turns can really help. I've had clients say that this felt like magic during their contractions, and it's one of the most requested techniques I use as a doula. Okay, next up is sacral pressure, another lifesaver for back labor or just general lower back discomfort during contractions. So what does this one help with? It alleviates pressure on the sacrum, it reduces pain during contractions, and it offers a grounding, calming sensation. So many mamas also love this one. So how do you do it? Here's step-by-step directions. You're gonna first have the birthing person lean forward, again in a comfortable position. You are gonna locate the sacrum, that flat triangle-shaped bone at the base of the spine, just above the tailbone. And then you're gonna use your palm, fist, or even a tennis ball to apply pressure, and it's gonna be steady, firm pressure right in the center of the sacrum. You're gonna hold that pressure throughout the contraction and then release once the contraction passes. Some tips that I wanna share: this can be done in almost any position, on hands and knees, standing, or side lying. If your hands do get tired, try using a massage tool or a firm object like a ball. Also, communicate. Ask the birthing person if the pressure feels helpful. More than likely, she will let you know more pressure or ease off. But some moms love alternating between that sacral pressure and the double hip squeeze, depending on how baby is positioned and how labor is progressing. So being a birth partner is such an important role, and learning tools like these helps you remain calm, confident, and helpful in the moments that matter most. Both the double hip squeeze and sacral pressure can make a huge difference in a mom's comfort and ability to cope during labor. So practice these ahead of time and don't be afraid to ask for feedback in the moment. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more birth tips, partner tools, and doula-approved advice, and follow me on Instagram @thebabychick for more real talk and support during pregnancy, birth, and postpartum. And let me know in the comments, are you going to be using any of these techniques when your partner is in labor? Have you practiced them yet? I'd love to hear how it goes. All right, until next time, cheers to supporting your partner like a pro.